Which way is the wind today? On this episode, the wife wanted a Hawaiian chicken. In your least steam bowl, whisk together 1 cup of pineapple juice, half a cup of in the cupboard for at least 2 years brown sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of crushed chili peppers. Give her a stir. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in the bag. Add your mixture. Marinate for 30 minutes up to 2 hours. Put your chicken breast on the grill and cook for 20 minutes. See you in a bit. Turn every 5 minutes and baste. Can't even look at you. You're too beautiful. Pairs perfectly with a Diet Pepsi. Get it in ya.